Pulling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats.
In comparison to earlier aircraft, the Air Force anticipates that the 6th generation F-47 fighter will be able to fly far farther. Air Force Chief of Staff General Dave Olvin stated the F-47 will have increased stealth capabilities, a combat radius of over 1,000 nautical miles, and the ability to fly at speeds more than Mach 2, or more than 1,500 miles per hour, in a graphic published on X, formerly known as Twitter, on Tuesday. Olvin's article also stated that the first generation of semi-autonomous drones, known as collaborative combat aircraft, will have a combat radius of more than 700 nautical miles and stealth similar to the F-35. Combat radius refers to how far an aircraft can fly from its base or last refueling stop, reach its target, complete its mission, and safely return, and is roughly equivalent to half of a plane's entire range. The F-47 would have a far greater range than the F-22 Raptor, which has a combat radius of 590 nautical miles, and the F-35A, which has a combat radius of 611 nautical miles, if those projections come to pass. Additionally, it would be far quicker than the F-35A, which can reach a maximum speed of Mach 1.6 or around 200 miles per hour. A possible war with China would greatly benefit from that greater range. In order to reach their targets in disputed airspace, where aerial refueling would not be feasible, Air Force aircraft would have to fly across large oceanic expanses during a Pacific war. Concerns have been raised by Air Force authorities and aviation specialists regarding the service's current aircraft's ability to reach Chinese objectives independently. While the first CCAs were being constructed, the Air Force also changed their direction to extend their range. In an interview with Defense News in July 2024, former Air Force Acquisition Chief Andrew Hunter stated that the military invited Air Combat Command operators to confer with acquisition specialists over the operational requirements for CCAs. According to Hunter, the operators pointed out a range flaw in the original CCA designs that would have prevented them from flying far enough to be useful in battle. In the Pacific, this would have been very problematic. Hunter claimed the Air Force urged contractors to achieve a sweet spot of sufficient range, at a fair price and on schedule, but he declined to reveal the CCA's range at the time. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest news on Air Force and military technology. Subscribe to Epic Military News today.